everyone. This is Prachi Jetli. I'm here at the Center Stage Theatre in Naperville, Illinois, for an event by Ekjut Theatre. Ekjut is celebrating the 10th year of its existence, and the theatre has been providing some excellent plays for last 10 years on social issues, on many beautiful comedies and other subject matters and other classic stories. So today, to celebrate the 10th year anniversary, they are going to be presenting 3 plays today under the direction of the founder, Mrs. Promila Kumar. And one of the plays is a comedy, and other plays are based on some classic stories. Let's talk to Promila Kumar about the theatre and how the journey has been, and enjoy the plays. Thank you. Pramila ji, first of all, congratulations on the 10th year anniversary. How has been the journey? I was just talking to our audience. How has been the journey?
It has been a very productive journey, and any journey has got these bumps up and down. But the important part is, the journey has been wonderful, very grateful, and we've had a chance to debut almost 100 persons from the Chicagoland area to performing arts.
Oh, that's amazing.
So we've built in a community of 100 actors, artists, yes.
Absolutely. Any milestone, any landmarks, or any memories that you would like to mention?
I think one of the greatest memories is we've been able to perform in 5 different cities. And we had started with adaptation of Vagina monologues called Yoni Ki Baat.
Yeah.
And we portrayed in 8 seasons, in 8 years, 80 stories, real stories of women bringing in social causes. So a social cause turned into an entertainment, and bringing the community a lot of the awareness that we need to bring. So I think this is one of the key milestones for Ekjut Theatre.
Absolutely. Today's stories like Taj Mahal Ka Tender and other stories, comedy and some classic stories as well. A brief introduction about the 3 plays that are going to be presented.
Absolutely. So today evening we have 3 plays, and again comedy. We want our audiences to laugh, enjoy, and really have a good time. Taj Mahal Ka Tender, it's a classic satire written by Ajay Shukla. It's been going on for many years. We all know what is Taj Mahal, how was it built, who built it. But the context is Shahjahan comes to life in 2024 and he wants to build a Taj Mahal. And what are the hiccups that he needs to go through to actually build it. So we bring the past and the present, we gel it together. And the story, the joyride is how does the Taj Mahal gets built. Again, we should not be looking into logic into that, yes, Prachi.
Absolutely.
Right. The second play is called Khane Mein Kya Hai. It's called a word play theatre. Word play meaning it's a game of words. So we use a game of words to portray a very important social cause. So I'm not going to delve into more details. People are going to watch. The third one is called Pyar Ka Panchnama. So post-mortem of love. In today's world, Prachi, love comes in different ways. And we are bringing in a story of 3 couples, how they find love, how they deal with love, and how they go through managing their expectations with their partners, their significant others. Pure comedy, laughter all the way. Our audiences, do not think too much. Let your brain be at rest and enjoy the show.
Absolutely.
That's
a few lines about your artists. I know there are so many artists, it will be difficult to name all of them. But, in general, if you want to say something about your wonderful artist of all these 3 plays.
So, audiences and Prachi, Ekjut is an amateur theatre group, meaning the people who come to act, they want to perform, they're amateurs, they're not paid for it. Unlike a professional theatre. But the production that we do is as par at professional theatre. So these are everyday people having day jobs, engineers, doctors, professionals, homemakers. They come here to have their passion completed of acting. So I could say, you'll find varied. And our youngest debutante is a 14-year-old kid.
That's nice.
He's debuting for the first time in Chicagoland area through Ekjut Theatre. And the most senior person who's also working is 70 plus. So you can imagine the wide range of people with a passion for acting and theatre.
What are the struggles that you usually come across?
Managing schedules. As I said, it's everyone has a day job.
Full job, yeah.
20 people to come together to practice same time. Lines, we have scripts 70 to 100 pages. need to really go through all of that. And the other is there's 20 different people, different personalities. So a lot of the MBA classes come into play as conflict management,
Right.
but that's fun part of it. At the end, all's well that ends well is the motto here.
And then there's a lot of passion behind what is happening, and all these people are so passionate. Any last message to potential sponsors, because projects like this definitely need support, and any last message to all the theatre lovers?
We run on help and people, so there are always help needed as actors, as backstage. But yes, any sponsorship, financial help also works out, because Prachi, what we also try to do here is bring in the culture to the South Asian community, and especially with the plays in Hindi, it's also promoting a little bit of literature and the language, those people who want to protect. So anyone who wants to help out, Ekjut is a 501c3 organization. We try to bring in 2 productions every year, and our September production is also going to be great. It's at Claudia Cassidy Hall. It's a premier theatre at Chicago Cultural Center.
Right.
So, your support, meaning you're also helping the community, building the culture, the language, the literature, which, our young people, our new immigrants also need it.
Absolutely. Thank you, Pramila. Thank you for bringing, the piece of, a small piece of, India's theatre and language as well, and culture here in Chicago. And we really appreciate your efforts, and all our viewers, please encourage such efforts through, whatever bit you could do. And on that note, we wish you all the best for today's plays and your upcoming projects as well.
Thank you so much, audiences. With your, we are very grateful. It has been a sold out even for the last, 2 weeks ago, it was completely sold out. And thank you so much, Prachi, Funny. Your support means a lot, because you're also our partners to promote this in the Chicago area.
We all are trying our best.
Absolutely.
Thank you, Pramila.
Thank you,
very much.
audiences.
All right, we have a very special guest here celebrating Ekjut today, representing Consul General of India Chicago office, Consul Mr. Sanjeev Pal. Sanjeev ji, first of all, thank you so much for joining, and thank you so much for supporting the theatre. What is your message, and what are your feelings?
Thank you, Prachi ji. First of all, I would like to congratulate Ekjut Theatre on their 10th anniversary. Ekjut Theatre is doing a wonderful job. They promote Indian culture. They hold plays relating to women empowerment and many issues relating to the society and the betterment of society. So I wish them all the very best, and to the artist who will be doing 3 plays today. So I would like to congratulate Pramila ji and her whole team for this wonderful achievement, and from the consulate we will always support them in their future endeavors also. Thank you.
नमस्कार, मेरा नाम लोनी शर्मा है, and I am a part of the Taj Mahal का tender play. I play the part of Gupta ji, a woman not to be taken lightly. That's all I can tell you. It's been a pleasure working with Ekjut. Ekjut's been here for about 10 years, and they've been promoting theatre and artists and plays all the time, and have done a fantastic job about it. I really hope you enjoy our production today, and can't wait to see you. Thank you.
हेलो दोस्तों, मेरा नाम रिचा है और मैं ताजमहल का टेंडर में दरबारी और एक नेता का रोल कर रही हूँ। और एकजुट के साथ ये मेरा पहली बार है, लेकिन ऐसा लग नहीं रहा है कि मैं पहली बार इसका पार्ट हूँ। सब लोग बहुत वेलकमिंग है, और हमारा प्ले जो कि आप अभी आएंगे और देखेंगे, आपको बहुत अच्छा भी लगेगा। एंड आई एम रियली ग्लैड कि मैं गुप्ता जी के साथ काम कर रही हूँ और बहुत सारे अच्छे आर्टिस्ट के साथ काम कर रही हूँ। एंड कांट वेट टू सी यू ऑल। Thank you.
Hello friends, my name is Johnson Borges, and this is my first association with Ekjut. You can see me as Sudhir on Taj Mahal Ka Tender. It's been an awesome experience with Ekjut, celebrating 10 years. Looking forward to seeing you all. Thank you.
Hello friends, this is Ashish Trivedi. This is also my first experience with Ekjut. And it's amazing that they have completed their 10 years, and this is their anniversary year for 10th year. And we are excited to be part of this play, Taj Mahal Ka Tender. And we are looking forward to many more years for Ekjut to thrive, survive, and give some chance to some new actors like us. And we are so excited.
Hello, I'm Jayashree Nagraj, and I have been associated with Ekjut Theatres for the last 7 years. Ekjut has been entertaining the Chicagoland area with at least 2 plays every year, with a comedy and another on a serious subject. It's something that everybody in the Chicagoland area looks forward to every year. It's a pleasure working with Ekjut Theatres.
Hi, my name is Bindu Punhani and I'm associated with Ekjut for past few years. I got a big break by working in Aadhe Adhure. That's still very, very close to my heart. It's only after working in that play I realized, oh my gosh, theater is such a big passion for me. So it's an honor to be part of 10-year anniversary for Ekjut Theater. Any talent, new or old, please come. And if you don't even know that you have talent, please come forward. Maybe you will find something new about yourself. Thank you very much.
I'm so excited to be here because this is Ekjut Theatre's 10th anniversary, and I don't believe I have missed a single show. Not that I've seen these plays, but I know some of the actors who are in this play. Some of the people who are working on the production team, I know them. And I know that we should expect one of the most scintillating presentations that we've seen in this area in a long time. So I am very excited. I congratulate Ekjut.
Hi, my name is Hemant. I'm from Naperville, and I'm here to support our friend Ketan, who is one of the cast members. And we wish Ekjut all the best, and so glad that we can be part of this.
All the best. My name is Garima, and I'm from Naperville as well. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Komila. I'm from Naperville. And I've been hearing about Ekjut, and I have seen a couple of performances. But this year it seems to be special. It's the 10th anniversary, and also my husband is performing. So I'm here to support the theater as well as my husband. Thank you.
This is Tanvi. I'm wanting to wish Promila ji a very happy 10th anniversary for Ekjut. I still remember we've been part since 2014 when I did my first YKB. Wishing you much, much more success.
Hi, my name is Neeti Sabharwal. This is my first time acting with Ekjut Theatre, and I'm very grateful for getting this opportunity from Pramila ji. We've had a wonderful time over this last few months. Yes, and I'll hand it over to my fellow actor.
Hi, my name is Jasraj Singh, and thank you, Pele Promila ji, for giving us opportunities to act. It's been like a few years with you now, and I've enjoyed every opportunity. So congratulations on the 10th anniversary. It's a big deal, and keep going.
Hi, I'm Ketan. My first experience, but this has been awesome. Just a fabulous cast, good friends made, and Pramila ji, I think, has been a good leader. Yeah? I am playing 2 small roles. You'll see it on the stage.
Happy anniversary!
Hello, my name is Shweta Sharda, and first of all, I'd like to thank Ekjut for giving me this debut opportunity on their 10th anniversary. What an exciting day that Ekjut is celebrating its 10th anniversary, and I am honored to be a part of it. So thank you very much, and I hope you all enjoy the play today.
Hello everyone, I'm Roshita and I'm playing the role of a Darbari in Taj Mahal Ka Tender. First of all, I want to wish Ekjut a very glittering 10th anniversary. As actors living in Chicagoland, we are so lucky that we have a dedicated theater company like Ekjut, giving us diverse opportunities to play different parts. We cannot be more thankful to Ekjut.
Hello everyone, my name is Vivan Mudgil, and I'm in 8th grade. I recently moved here to Naperville, and it's my first acting experience here in Illinois. And I have to say, Ekjut is a wonderful place for me to be a part of all this, especially for me to be joining in their 10th anniversary. It's a really great honor.
Hi, I'm Chinmay, and I'm one of the cast members for Pyar Ka Panchnama. And happy anniversary to Ekjut Theatre. And thank you, Pramila ji, for giving
सवारी के लिए? Yes? और मैं बता दूं, this afternoon is so very, very special. Any guesses why? We're celebrating the 10th anniversary of the Ekjut theatrical production, which has been led by our visionary Promila Kumar. A few, yes.
रंगमंच पर हम एक ऐसे गाने, अरे यही दिखाने रंगमंच पर आए हैं हम आज। कैसे कैसे पापड़ बेले मुगलों का सरताज। देखो और शाहजहां को कैसे याद आएगी नारी। याद
चाहती है
उन्हें बाद अब जल्दी से बुलाया जाए। तो आइए गुप्ता जी, आइए।
गुप्ता जी, ये जेंडर न्यूट्रल का जमाना भी तौबा। बादशाह सलामत हैं, कहना तो पड़ेगा। हुजूर बंदी आपकी खिदमत में तस्लीम पेश करती है।
आइए गुप्ता जी, आइए। हमें आपका ही इंतजार था। 7 दिन पूरे हो गए। फरमाइए, काम की क्या तरक्की है?
हुजूर काम तो तरक्की पर है, स्टाफ दिन रात जुटा हुआ है काम पे हुजूर।
और आप स्कीम
स्कीम तो पूरी तैयार हो गई,
पर हमने तो आपको कुछ स्कीम बताई नहीं थी।
हुजूर स्कीम नहीं, प्लान, पूरा प्लान तैयार हो गया है हुजूर।
मतलब नक्शा तैयार हो गया?
आप यही समझे हुजूर?
वाह वाह, नक्शा वाकई तैयार हो गया। आइए, आप तो सचमुच काफी अफसर है गुप्ता जी। लाइए, हम भी जरा देखें कि आप जो नक्शा बनाकर लाए हैं उससे हमारी मुमताज यादें सदियों तक कैसे रखें।
हुजूर, जब से आपका हुक्म मिला है बंदी ने ना कुछ खाया ना पिया, बस इसी काम पे लगी हुई है हुजूर। ये देखिए, हाजिर है नक्शा।
आपसे यही उम्मीद थी। आई गुप्ता जी, ये क्या है? ये मेरी तो कुछ समझ में नहीं आ रहा है। ये है क्या?
ये आपके ख्वाब को
अरे गुप्ता जी को क्यों न बना दे?
नहीं हुजूर, गुस्ताखी माफ, पर ये तो सेक्रेटरी रैंक की पोजीशन होगी। इस पे तो हमारे दरबार सिविल सर्विसेज का ही कोई आदमी होना चाहिए।
लेकिन गुप्ता जी काम करे, उन्हें बुरा लगेगा।
तो उन्हें ग्रेड दे देंगे हुजूर, डेजिग्नेशन वही रखेंगे।
ठीक है, आपको जो जैसा ठीक समझे वो कर दीजिए। मैं सिर्फ ताजमहल बनना देखना चाहता हूँ।
परवरदिगार आपके सभी अरमानों को पूरा करे हुजूर।
ठीक है, अगले महीने रिव्यू मीटिंग करेंगे, देखते हैं कितना प्रोग्रेस हो गया।
जी, हमारी मैडम बड़ी दयालु है, काफी जनरस है, देवी है देवी, किसी का दुख दर्द नहीं देख पाती।
सच, आप सच कह रहे हैं सुधीर बाबू, बिल्कुल। अभी हम
आई का तो नहीं, पर जो आया ना माँ, उसका तो जवाब ही नहीं। जैसे मसाला भूनता है धीरे धीरे, वो शुरुआत की एक्साइटमेंट, फिर उस मसाले में डालो हरी मिर्च, तीखी वाली, सुलगने वाली, और फिर उसमें डालो उबले चने, और फिर उसे मिलाओ और मिलाओ और मिलाओ।
शादी करोगी? पूर्णिमा, मुझसे शादी करोगी? बहन जी,
नहीं, कभी नहीं।
नहीं? क्यों नहीं पूर्णिमा? जवाब देना होगा, क्यों नहीं? आखिर क्यों?
क्योंकि मैंने तुम्हें कभी उस नजर से
अरे 2 साल हो गए तन्ने नहीं देखा। अरे कब खत्म होगी तेरी पीएचडी बेटा?
अरे माँ पीएचडी में और 1 साल बाकी है माँ।
1 साल? अरे भैया, अरे बाबा 8 साल हो गए बेटा तन्ने देखे। अरे तेरे साथ के तो सारे छोरे ब्याह चुके और कोई तो 2-2 बच्चों के गोद में खिला रहे। अरे एक बार तू यहाँ आके देख तो ले, न जाने कितने बच्चों का चाचा और ताऊ बन गया है तू। और बेटा सागर, अरे तुझे मालूम है वो तेरी छुटकी मौसी के ननद के देवर? अरे वही जो रात में भी काला चश्मा पहन के सोए हैं। ये उनके छोरे की भी सगाई होने वाली है। अरे सुना है कि लड़की बड़ी सुंदर है, बड़ी है, गवर्नमेंट अस्पताल में डॉक्टर भी है। अरे एक माँ बाप को अपने छोरों से और क्या चाहिए बच्चा? सागर, तू सुन रहा है ना बेटा? सागर?
हाँ माँ सुन रहा हूँ, कोशिश भी कर रहा हूँ, नहीं मिल रही, क्या करूँ? माँ क्यों पीछे पड़ी हो? अपना ख्याल रखना, दवाई लेते रहना, पापा को बोलना, दिवाली तक मैं खुशखबरी सुना दूंगा। अच्छा माँ फोन रखो, अभी थीसिस का काम बहुत बाकी है मेरा। अरे देव, क्या बात है?
कुछ नहीं यार, तुम क्या करोगे सुन के मुझसे मेरी कहानी? बेलुक्त जिंदगी के किस्से हैं टिके टिके। अरे तू मेरी छोड़, अपनी बता। ये शारजा की जैसे शक्ल क्यों बना के रखी है? क्या प्रॉब्लम है? व्हाट्स द प्रॉब्लम मैन?
अरे प्रॉब्लम मैं खुद हूँ। यहाँ है कोई लड़की नहीं मिल रही, वहाँ मेरी माँ पोता पोती शादी का ख्याल रख रही।
All right, let's talk to the lady herself who has been running around not just today for so many weeks and months. And of course, as Atamjeet was Singh ji was mentioning about how much hard work goes into productions like this and 3 plays in one day. Promila, of course, we are in awe of his work. How does it feel, being here? Appreciating your work, and how is your feeling after the first, after the first play?
The journey has come to an end, interim end, and it's really very pleasing. And the biggest, reward that we get, to hear the audience appreciate it. And Mr. Atmanjeet, your support means a lot. Mr. Atmanjeet came to see Yoni Ki Baat many years ago, and we didn't even know each other. So we've been supporting each other as and when required. And as I said, a lot of hard work goes, but at the end of it, we are bringing a quality production to Chicago. We hope our Chicago audiences appreciate theatre and keep on appreciating and joining us.
Thank you, Promila, and thank you, sir. And again, we look forward to more and more productions from you guys. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Oh, amazing! Loni did so well.
Very good. Thank you.
How was the play?
Very well. I think I have seen quite a few of those, but this was wonderful.
Awesome, thank you.
Oh, amazing. Oh my goodness. Yeah, very good, very good.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Writing was good.
Writing was good, acting was good.
Thank you.
Gupta ji was amazing.
Thank you.
Wonderful.
You liked it?
Yes.
How was it?
It was great. Nice, entertaining.
It was really good.
You liked it?
Yeah. Very entertaining.
How was it?
It was very nice. Very nicely done.
Anything specific that you liked?
My friend is acting in that, Jaideep Buzruk. And I'm very happy to see him on the stage with all his team member. And say congratulations to Promila. She's done a marvelous job. Thank you.
Thank you.
Very good.
Anything specific that you liked about it?
I think everybody is excellent. It's like amazing to see everybody so naturally playing that, so it was really good.
Thank you. All right, so as we are celebrating the 10th year of Ekjut Theatre by Promila Kumar, we have a very special guest who is so well known, especially in the art of theatre. He is a writer, well-known writer, a playwright, and a theatre director as well. And he is amongst us today, celebrating this landmark, the milestone for Ekjut. I'm talking about Sardar Atamjeet Singh ji. Atamjeet ji, first of all, thank you so much for your time. And I saw you were enjoying the play. How did you like it? Your message for Ekjut. Ekjut has been working so hard, bringing social issues and, of course, some classic stories. And your message about, of course, the 10th anniversary and Ekjut.
I'm so happy to be here today. In fact, it's not the very first time that I'm here to see Ekjut performance.
Yeah.
Earlier also, I have seen one performance in Greenhouse Theatre maybe, in downtown, near downtown. So it's the second time I'm here. I'm very pleased to see the kind of theater that Chicago is trying to build, and the audience also. I mean, to have this big play, Taj Mahal Ka Tender, though it's a comedy, but then to have this kind of cast here and to gel everything on together at one stage, it's not an easy job. And when I come to know that the director herself was not here for a long time, she had to go somewhere, still they have done a very good job. My special appreciation for two people, the lady who did the central role and the lady who did the pollution officer role. They did very well. Others are also very good. I'm very happy that Ekjut is the first time. I could not have imagined that people in Chicago, a distant land, they will be doing, somebody will be doing, Ms. Kumar will be doing 3 plays in a single day. It's not a small thing. And 3 plays, maybe with different cast or same cast, whatever the case, it's appreciable. I'm so happy as a theater director and as a theater writer. I feel that this is a place where when you work, you are actually contributing. It's very easy to do theater in India. It's very easy. But it's very difficult to put up theater here. So, 3 cheers for everybody, especially Ms. Kumar, those who are doing this kind of work. And I know the distances that Chicago has, how people they get together to do their rehearsal. It's not an easy job, but you have done it. And बहुत बहुत मुबारक आप सबको.
So Atamji ji, जैसे आज का जो today's play, it was about corruption. Of course, it was definitely a comic play, but a very significant topic that it brought up was the prevalent corruption, and that's the kind of issues. And theatre is, I think, a very good mode of actually bringing up issues like that. And especially you have also brought up some very sensitive topics in your plays. You know, Sani Sach Kehanda Si, Rishta Ki Na Ki Rakhiye. How do you think, what else can be done to strengthen theatre, especially overseas?
Yeah, the wonderful thing about theatre, which people who see it, they can realize very easily, is that when you talk of corruption of 50 years back or 40 years back, it doesn't remain confined to that era. It comes to today. It talks about today's corruption also. It's not only the politics of that time, it's not only the bureaucracy of that time or the officialdom of that time. It's today. People are connecting themselves with this play because of the prevalent conditions all over the world, and especially in my country. So that is a significant thing that happens in theatre. It talks of a time, but it takes us out of the time. So it connects with everything which is happening. That is one thing. Secondly, I think the best thing to do here is that all theatre people should see each other's work. That's very important. Which unfortunately, I'm a new person. I should not comment, but then you have spotted me. It is a bit missing. We have our own problems with each other. We do our own type of theatre. We have our own limitations, but we should afford to see each other's theatre. That's the minimum that we can do. And I know there are at least maybe 150 people who are actually doing theatre. So this hall can be filled with those people only.
The hall can be bigger also.
It can be bigger also. But then these are realities. We should fight with them. We should come out of our egos. We should try to overpower all these things. We are human beings, but it's only human beings who transcend these barriers also.
That's very well said, sir. Any updates from you? Anything? Any upcoming projects?
It's too early for me to say anything. I'm yet not out of the fatigue that I had to grapple with the last 5 months I have spent on the play. But surely, whenever the time comes, I'll be again with the people of Chicago. And I'm so happy that people in Chicago, they have welcomed my theatre. I'm thankful to them through you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much and best wishes. And, we hope to see more and more productions from you. And especially as you mentioned that, each and every theatre artist need to support each other. The theatre groups need to, again, there should have been, many more people who are doing this work, but they need to support each other.
In fact, I openly say, any group, if he or she, the director or the producer, needs my help, if he thinks that I can do something, in terms of lighting, in terms of set designing, in terms anything, we should be doing. The larger, the objective is very big. That is to keep people united and to keep people aligned with their cultural values and to keep their roots. I'm very happy to see a 14-year-old boy, though he cannot pronounce "rd," still he is there. That was very encouraging.
Yeah, that was a very
Thank you very
good-
much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very